how to create a Glovo account in Italy. So here's what you want to do. Load up the browser on your phone, and I've just Google searched for Glovo Become Rider Italy, and you want to click on this link, italy.rider.glovoapp.com. Now it's going to take us to a web page that looks like this. I'm just going to switch over to English, and you have to choose your city. So where do you want to deliver? Here, after you have chosen your city, you will also need to choose your vehicle. You're given the option of electric, bicycle, car, motorbike, and bicycle. We're going to do car for this. Now you will get some new fields here. You have to fill out your first, last name, and email address, as well as your phone number here. So fill out this information. Check this. I have read and understand the rider privacy statement. Then you just have to click on submit, and that is how you create a Glovo rider account in Italy. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.